Waiting on the oven to warm up is a drag, but I have a solution. No-bake cookies are an oatmeal, chocolate, and peanut butter collision. I am an avid baker who has made no-bake cookies multiple times throughout the year. And I'm about to show you the 7 steps on how to make your own no-bake cookies. So the first step is to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. And I have these little mats that are like parchment paper, but they're just like reusable. So you just want to lay those on there. Next step is to grab a large bowl and you're gonna put 3 cups of oats, which I have right here, into it. And then like a pinch, like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of shakes. Just a 1/4 teaspoon. And then you're gonna mix it. Mix it. Okay, and then in a saucepan on medium to high heat, you're gonna melt a 1/2 cup of butter, which is what I have in here. And I'm just gonna do is add 2 cups of brown sugar to this saucepan, which I have in this bowl here. And then you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then a 1/2 cup of milk. Right. And then you're gonna mix that. Mix it until you bring it to a boil. And then once you bring it back to a boil, you're gonna remove it off the heat and then mix it. We have it off the heat. I'm gonna add 1 cup of peanut butter. And then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then you're gonna put it back onto the heat and bring that mixture to a boil. And once it's to a boil, you're gonna wanna remove it from the heat. Back to our bowl with the salt and oats and add our peanut butter mixture to it. And then you're just gonna stir to incorporate it. And this is what your final mixture is gonna look like. Either parchment paper or one of these reusable mats, whatever you have. And we're gonna put just like a small scoop of the mixture onto the pan. So my mixture made about 19 cookies, but I also made them pretty big. So just depending on how many you need can depend on what size you make them. And then you're gonna place both of your sheets in the freezer or let them sit on the counter to cool. And then you're all done. Today I showed you the 7 steps on how to make no-bake cookies. The next time you're going to preheat your oven, just take a step back and grab your oats and peanut butter.